but not totally shaggy.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Waiting for the bus outside the £300 a night hotel. But yeah, waiting for the bus to take us out to Aline, so we can complete. Oh, the penultimate day. Ooh, penultimate day. Nice weather. Here's our bus. So, start point at the Aline Community Woodland Car Park. Across the road, it says. Cross the road, use the boardwalk. This is a kissing gate for giants. Goodness me. Woo! Any normal human being, it's too big. Wouldn't it be lovely if this was across the bog? Wow, day 11, one more day to go. Forecast today is for fantastic weather, so that's brilliant. But the only thing is today and tomorrow, looks like we've got like half a day in bog and half a day on road, so let's see what happens with that. But yeah, let's see what we do today. But we stayed in Stornoway last night, so we've got the bus out in the morning. And then we've had the bus back, and then we start this stage. So, penultimate day, gosh, coming to an end. Well, let's see where the day takes us. There goes the heron. Seen quite a few of them. You get excited, you think it's going to be an eagle, but it's a heron. Now look at this boardwalk, going all the way up the hill. So here we are, the building works, a toilet and the drying room. Some plant hire for these guys out here because they're redoing quite a lot of electrical works. So the first part, after those boardwalks, is walking what is clearly the old road, which sits to one side of the new road, obviously. So yeah, what a beautiful day we've got. Let's hope this holds all day. Because although the forecast says it holds all day, this is the Hebridean. Doesn't necessarily apply. Lots of work going on. The new austere angular bridge on the new road, and the lovely arch bridge on the old road. How cute, look at that. Yeah, the cycle route stays on the main road and we come off the main road. Two great guys. Right, what they did help explain is that the electricity's been upgraded, and in the next year all the old lines are being taken down. A raised turf path, which is not very raised on this one. There's an awful lot of gunk, but the idea being that you have two channels to the side where the water goes, and you have this raised path that takes you across the bog. So I think we've got this for the next 10 kilometres. When you're out here on what feels like the middle of nowhere, every time you see a bridge, you know you're on the right path. And I'm assuming these two things are monitors to monitor traffic. This is where your raised path has collapsed and you now have quite a wide bog to get through. We're off up the side there, but I just stopped because it's silent. I'm not 100% certain, but I think that's our lunchtime spot. Goes around there. But a beautiful day. Yeah, not quite what you expect on the path. I'm gonna go up there. So it's gonna be one hell of a jump, I think. You can see and hear the roads. You're not in the middle of nowhere, but on this side of the loch there's just us. Going underneath the power lines, the ground looks so flat and inviting. It's actually quite soft. You sink into it. This sign is all very well. Danger, exclusion zone, no entry. But there's no alternative to the path. So you just got to walk beside the power lines for about 200 yards, and that's it. And it's a beautiful landscape to walk through. You're not going to see any wildlife or trees. Unbelievable. We have a little bee in the middle of nowhere on the only plant. Hanging on for dear life. There he is. The map said we have to go round the outside of this so I can sort of see a path. What a colour of water. A slightly more consistent turf path. You can walk across the top for long sections. I think about 75% of today is working your way around this loch on these sorts of raised turf paths. Most pristine grassed over turf path right at the end of this section, leading to a gate. Take the bridge or rock hop. I'm going to rock hop because it's not much of a rock hop. That was a tough 8 kilometres or so through that sort of boggy area. We did have a turf path, it was pretty good, but yeah, now we seem to be on some track, I don't know. Interesting, this is the first time, day 11, that I've actually just worn this one top, this REI top that I bought in Connecticut in 2023. But just one top. It's warm enough. At times it's very warm. But yeah, whew, that was a tough section. A little bit of farm track. You're sort of shaggy, aren't you? But not totally shaggy. Hello. What a beautiful sea loch. Low tide. I think this was all those things, but it's now well and truly closed. That's the road walk on the main road. We're on the opposite side to what you would expect, because they appear to have this path, so we're taking it. An interesting sign, because actually we need to go the other way. Cycleway. Just the last little bit. Whew, that will be the end of day 11. Gotta hope the weather holds for tomorrow. Into Laxay. Waiting for the bus. Find a place for it to pull off slightly, it says. I think we've achieved that.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.